Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a quick unboxing and review on this set of flare nut wrenches from DuraTech. This is SAE and metric sizes. This was $39 from Amazon. And I don't have the flare nut wrenches myself, so this is my first one. You know, they are used in specific applications, and I probably would not use them at all, or if I use them maybe once or twice. So I thought this set will be just good enough for me. I don't need anything expensive. So here is the standard brochure they include in their packages with their other products. I like those pipe wrenches here, the blue colored ones. Okay, nothing else in this box. Put it on the side. So this is the actual box with the colors and stuff. Okay, so the model number is DTFN10S, and it has SAE and metric, as you can see there. And it tells you here it is drop forged steel, CRV, chrome vanadium steel. Visibility, it has high marking on them. It is a little bit offset, so it has access when there is something in the way, you can use it. And it includes a pouch. I'm not a big fan of pouches, but they include them. So let's see, what is the, oh, it's on this side. Okay. Okay, let me move the camera a little bit higher so it is better view. Okay, much better now. Alright, so here is size 19 and 21. And it's very, it seems like good quality one. Here is the 6-point flare nut. This is the 21 and this is the 19. So this would be the metric, of course. And this is the offset they are talking about. See there. Same thing on this side. So that's good to have. And this one is 17 and 15, and it has the DuraTech branding engraved on it, and it says chrome vanadium on the other side, and it says very shiny chrome polish finish here on these wrenches. And this one is 13-14. And we have 10 and 12 millimeter. This is 9 and 11 millimeter. And now we move to the SAE side. So we have 7/8 and 3/4. And we have 11/16 and 5/8 size here. And we have 9/16 and 1/2 inch. And we have the 7/16 and 3/8. and the last smallest one in the SAE side is 5/16 and 1/4 inch. The batch is nice. It has the model number, the branding, and it has the sizes listed here. So if you don't have any place to store these aside from, you know, if you have a drawers or an organizer for wrenches, if you don't have those, you can always use this pouch. You just roll them in, roll it around, and you just put it in the drawer. Alright, so that is it, guys. This was a quick unboxing and review of this tool set from DuraTech. By now I have so many DuraTech products, so I'm probably a fan of DuraTech, huh? Alright, so this is it for this one, and I will see you all in the next video. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, especially if you enjoyed this one, and give it a thumbs up, or if you have a comment, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will leave a link to the product page in the description of the video below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.